Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Please watch this movie first before you buy any Shiba Inu coins. Bad news. After its recent huge move, the Shiba Inu price has been waiting for months to find the right amount of support. Shib has not yet gained a stable foothold, even though it has erased the gains of the last rise. Things are looking better, though, as the joke coin gets ready for a big move. Watch this movie first before you buy any Shiba Inu coins. We will talk about holy shit, bad news. Do not forget to share, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos. For more than a month, Shiba Inu's price has stayed above the $0.118 support level. When it flipped this level on August 5, it stayed above it for a while before starting a 50% rise. The price of the Shiba Inu lost these gains over the next few days, but it still moved above the slanted trend line and a horizontal support level at $0.118. But on September 15, Shib broke through this point of convergence, which confirmed the start of a decline. Shiba Inu's price is expected to drop 25% if this trend keeps up, closing the gap between $0.83 and $0.93. It will set up a base for the long-term bullish play in the short run. Shiba Inu price, on the other hand, could change its mind and close the daily pattern above the $0.118 mark. It will show that the bears are weak. If this obstacle turns into a support level, it will show that the negative view is wrong. Because of this change, the price of the Shiba Inu could go up to $0.179 before it should. The price of BONE, one of Shiba Inu's local tokens, rose 20% today and hit a new high of $1.37 during the day. The price of BONE keeps going up as more and more buyers buy the token as the launch date of the Shibarium public beta testnet gets closer. The testnet start should happen by the end of this month if nothing changes. The price of the token hit a high point earlier this week at $1.77. It has gone up 87% in the last 30 days. People who put money into BONE last month have seen their portfolios grow by almost twice as much. Since July 2022, the price of BONE has been going up. Not even a month went by before it went from 48 cents to $1.10. Before the end of next week, BONE's price would probably be $2. In the past 3 months, the price of BONE has doubled, giving buyers huge returns on their money. To manage the Shibarium Layer 2 network, BONE will be used. A company called Unification X Fund is building the network. They say that the Layer 2 network documents will be available by next week. The company said that the BONE token is used to pay for gas on the Shibarium network. In the Shiba Inu society, this makes it a great use case. Still, the exact date that the Shibarium network will go live hasn't been named yet. The Shib team only said this month that the start would happen. The fact that buyers are buying more BONE tokens makes sense. They want to get in early before Shibarium launches. They think that BONE's price will keep going up because the token can be used in the Shibarium network. This means that if the price goes up, these buyers will make more money. People will keep wanting to buy BONE until the Shib team says when the Layer 2 network will go live. The Shibarium network says that in the past 24 hours, BONE has gone up 10.9%. It is still 91.3% less than its all-time high of $15.50, which it hit in July 2021. Earlier this month, the Shib team said that the total number of BONE tokens that would be made would be limited to 230 million. This meant that no more BONE tokens would be made. The most BONE that can be made is still $250 million, but the last $20 million is for gas and Shibarium validators. One reason BONE's price went up so much last month was news that it would be listed on an exchange. It was one of the best performing cryptocurrencies that month. The Shiba Inu is an altcoin built on Ethereum. Its logo is a Shiba Inu, a Japanese breed of hunting dog. The idea for the project came from a simple question. What would happen if the community ran a cryptocurrency project themselves? Ryoshi, who created the coin, says it was made as an experiment in building a decentralized community. Ryoshi says that joint decentralization can make something much stronger than a centralized team could. Ryoshi built the Shiba Inu environment on top of the Ethereum blockchain because it was already safe and well established. This kept the project decentralized. Meme coins went on a big run on the market and saw gains of up to 30% in just one day, making Shiba Inu the most talked about cryptocurrency lately. To ensure that he will talk more about the Shiba Inu Eternity game, Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Swap, went on Twitter. He said that he would be on the Shib Discord group to talk about everything related to the new mobile game. He told investors not to miss his powerful speech and that he would take a break from the chat to talk about eternity. We can talk tomorrow at 9 p.m. PST in Shib Discord. I'm going to break up the chat to talk about Shiba Eternity and everything that goes with it. You don't want to miss my emotional speech where I talk about my thoughts on Shib's future. Salute, Shib Army. His tweet. Satoshi didn't say anything else about the future of Shib in this tweet. We will have to follow the Shib Discord group to find out more about it. The talk about the Shiba Eternity game is also planned for Thursday at 9 a.m. PST on Discord. In addition, the Eternity mobile game could come out first since it can be tested in Vietnam and Australia. Unification X Fund wrote on their blog that the Shibarium public beta testnet might also come out this month, but it's expected that the other projects won't come out until at least 2023. David Gokhshtein, founder of Gokhshtein Media and past candidate for House of Representatives in the US, has praised the Shiba Inu community for starting the crypto burn craze. Going by what Gokhshtein says, Shib made this whole burn trend possible. When Shiba Inu fell from its all-time high of $0.8616, the community said that its low price and inability to recover were due to its very large maximum supply. They forced the team to let investors burn tokens voluntarily, which let them send coins to a wallet that could not be recovered. Investors who are worried think that a drop in supply would cause prices to rise again. The Shiba Inu group has so far burned 60 billion tokens and is still counting. The token burn endeavor is unlikely to instantly impact Shiba Inu's price, especially in a bear market. However, its effect will be observed in the future. For now, Shib's price is more worried with holding above support at $0.1040 and regaining the ground lost, at least to $0.1800. Shiba Inu's price must successfully deal with resistance at the descending channel's middle boundary to break free from the strong bearish shackles holding it from recovery. However, until Shib pulls above the channel, traders would have to deal with the uncertainty of further falls below $0.10,000. Into the blocks IMAP on-chain metric reveals intense seller congestion around $0.1100. Approximately 11,500 addresses previously purchased 66.62 trillion Shib tokens in the range. A robust resistance like this implies that recovery would be limited as investors sell at their respective break-even points. On the other hand, the absence of solid support areas casts doubt on Shiba Inu's price, having tagged the floor price, thus calling for caution until a sustained breakout occurs. Shiba Inu creators and developers have worked hard to offer the token holders real-world utilities to further bolster the coin's popularity. One of the proposed utilities is the Shibars, Shiba Inu's ecosystem in the metaverse. This project will feature a virtual real estate program where users can buy land to develop, grow, or breed their projects. The developers believe that Shibars could be Shiba Inu's opportunity to drop the joke tag and be considered an important meme coin. At the moment, the market capitalization of Shiba Inu is over $13 million, while experts predict that the price could rise to $0.1 in 2 to 3 years. These upward price trends will likely be triggered when the Shibars presale or official launch starts. That's all for today. Do not forget to share, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.